Managing WordPress users from the dashboard is slow, especially on large sites. In this video, I'll show you how to list, view, and delete users safely using WP-CLI. Alright, let's jump into the video. First of all, I am inside my WordPress root or in the root of my installation, and here I am simply opening my terminal. Alright, so once I am done, I can first of all check my available users like this. WP user list. It lists all the users which are on this particular website. So I have 4 users at the moment with their IDs showing like this, their username, their display name, email, user registered date, and their roles. Alright, that's first of all how we list our users. All right, now if we want to filter by role, we can simply pass our role into the command like WP user list, and here our role will be subscriber. Now we want to see our subscriber users. All right, so in this particular case, if you see, we have only one subscriber user like shown here, and if I just go to my website and refresh it, so we can see into the actual UI as well, because some beginners don't understand CLI or shell command, so they can see from here. All right, that's how we filter our users for a particular role. Now if we want to delete a user, we can pass our, first of all we want to, let's say, get details of the user. All right, so for that we can call our get command, WP user get, and we can, let's say, pass our username. So in this case it is quick user. Right, so it gives us details about that particular user. So ID of that user is 5, username is quick user, user email is this, display name, and user role is. All right, this particular command displays full details of a specific user. We have to simply change this username to get the details of that particular user. All right, so now let's say we want to delete this user. That's something tricky, because once we are using a delete command, let's say we are using this particular user which is quick user like here. All right, so we have to make sure we are reassigning its content to admin user. All right, so our user got removed, but this way safely. The delete command we used is WP user delete. We have passed username which we want to delete, then we pass this particular command reassign and set one ID, because in WordPress one ID is always for the admin user. Now if we just list our users again, we will be seeing our 3 users, and this particular user got removed. All right, now if I just go here and check from here, that user will not be available. All right, so that's how we delete a user. Always reassign content before deleting, because otherwise you may delete your user forever. All right, we can also delete our users in multiple users in one command. For that we can use our WP user delete command, but this time we can pass multiple IDs. In this case, let me just delete our user 3 and user 4. Obviously, I have to reassign their content to user 1. Alright, so if you check, both our users got removed, and if I simply use my list command, I will be seeing my admin user only, and here it is. All right, so in this video we have seen how to bulk delete our users, how to get data of a user, and how to reassign our content properly. All right, we can also use different commands, like we can also bulk delete by roles. All right, but in this particular video we have been through almost all commands, and we can pass users and we can filter users, and based on that we can proceed accordingly. All right, that's how we safely and quickly delete our users, or we can manage our users in terminal. All right, never delete users without reassigning content. You may lose posters permanently. That's how you manage WordPress users using WP-CLI, faster, safer, and scalable. All right, if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel and follow along with our series on WP-CLI. See you in the next video. Bye bye.